Intéresant la maison, intéresant la Merci bro. Oh shoot, guys, I'm about to go edit these videos to post for you guys right now. Because you have to keep editing so you could keep recording. It's an island. You never know the next beautiful view you're going to see. That's what the island does to you. So we're gonna go ahead. I didn't even take my weed. 6 o'clock in the morning. No one's out here really yet. It's me and my boy right here. My boy, he stay by the beach. My boy right here. Every time I'm out here, he's out here. All right. 6 o'clock in the morning, view. Hey, we're gonna have that walk I had yesterday. I am mad at him. This is cool. Us, we're gonna sit by here. I want you guys to enjoy this one. 6 in the morning. Every time we come at the beach, everyone is there. Today, the beach is ours. We got the whole beach to ourselves. My boy gonna go down there. He's doing what I did. But I went that way. My little island down there. That's another island down there. That's where I went yesterday. Yeah. My boy's out. Color of the water. Doesn't get any better than this. Crazy. Okay, you got number 2. So it's water. It's about to touch my foot. Look at that. You don't get any better than this. I got that. Now what about the cold now? Not even. Wow. The water's warm. I thought it would be cold. I have so many videos. I probably can't even edit this one. If I can, I'm gonna post it as a raw English. I meant to say. It is what it is, guys, because yeah, the water's warm as hell. Oh, that's beautiful. I can jump in this water right now because it's so warm. Oh, the sun is coming up, guys. The sun is rising. See that? That's beautiful. The sun is rising. That's what I want you guys to enjoy with me. The sunrise by the beach. Now this is some Haiti stuff right here. This is what I used to do in Haiti. When I was like 8, 9 years old with my uncle. Sandy feet, we don't care. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that beautiful sun rising, guys. Look at that. Come where? Oh, that's beautiful. was fast. The sun is rising. That's beauty. Yo, my boy is all the way down there. I don't even see him no more. There she is. You guys see she's coming up. You guys see she's rising. There she is. I hope this video help you somehow. Help you calm, relax. This is why I'm here right now. I need this calmness. Let's relax with me. The wind feels good. Feels great. The wind feels very good. Water's nice and warm. You can't beat that. Good morning. Having a little walk. It's crazy. Look at that. She's up, guys. She is up. Some people start to come now. Wow, we were like the first one, guys. We got like 6, a crew of 6 over there. And that's it. Uh-oh. They're going buck wild. Wow, look at that sun. It's beautiful. That is beautiful, my friends. Yeah. Beauty, beauty, beauty. I couldn't miss this one. Could not. I could not miss this one. Look at that. Let's watch that sunrise. Look at that. Now this is how you start your day. Uh-oh. Yeah, look at that. That is beauty right there, my friend. Now this is how we do it. It will be a whole lot. We don't need all of that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, early in the morning. That's the cup. That's the cup. Early morning cup. That's the cup. Alright, you guys see it. You guys see the sunrise with me today. And that is beautiful, my friend. Just like I wanted to show you guys. Let's watch the sunrise with Kirby Fuego. "20 minutes of your time. 20 minutes of calmness. 20 minutes of my voice again." Look at that. We did it. If my iPhone don't let me edit this, you guys gonna get a raw English. I know my English not good all the time, and that's what we're doing. Look at that. You guys saw it. You guys saw it with me today. I think today is day 4 or day 3. Day 3 today. You might didn't catch the sunset, but we catch the rising. I'll be too late at nighttime. You feel me? Oh, it's crazy. This is it, guys. Frigo family, check this out. Check this out. Beauty, beauty, beauty. All gas, no brakes. You guys see it? You guys saw it? These guys are Haitians right there. Haitians. Oh, I think this was a great video. I think this is a great video, guys. I just woke up and I said I'm gonna do this. Then that's what happened. Look at that. You guys have to see that. You guys did it. You guys did it. YouTube, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for giving me 20 minutes of your time. You guys remember this lady from yesterday? Look at her again, walking her dog to the beach, at the beach. Ah, that's cool. I will see you guys for another episode. Look at that. We did it, friend. See the puppy? The big dog, that's the puppy. All right, guys. I'm gonna go and start my day as I should. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I hope this video was calming, was helpful somehow to you guys, was helpful to you for subscribing to my channel, for viewing my channel. Catch you guys another episode. Peace. We made it first, guys. Good morning. We made it first. We saw it first, guys. YouTube, we saw it first. We saw it first. Sure. I'm in the street too. Let's see that the name is on me. Y'all know where to pull. Next time you're in town. Let's see that lamb is on me. See les amis. Ça fait chaud là, chaud là, madame comme ça. Je suis capable de Haïti. Je suis capable de Montgomery. Arrête de te boucher. 10 push-up, I'm sexy already. Sandy feet, we don't care. That's the lifestyle we're living. Sandy feet, we don't care. Smoke inside of the island, cause that's what we do. I've been smoking on this island since I got it. Since from the airport.
And be sure to follow the orange flow markers and intermittent signage to get where you need to go. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this New York-based group, thanks again for choosing us. For those of you from the New York City area, we'd like to break the press to say, welcome home.